Hello guys, as you could tell this video is going to be a little different. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new phone. This is my current phone. It's a 13 Pro Max. It's in gold and it has 128 gigabytes. You can't really tell it's gold because it has a case on. I've had this phone for like 5 years and it's starting to run its course. It's starting to slow down a lot. So I decided I will get this phone. Yeah, so I got this phone because I remember when the 14 Pros came out in the Apple event. My sister and we just got our 13 Pro Maxes and we were watching it. Oh my goodness, that was like, I can never forget when they unveiled the 14 Pro lineup. Our jaws dropped to the floor. We were like, what? Are you kidding me? So I'm just gonna... And yeah, I've always liked this phone. My current phone, the 13 Pro Max, it's been having like issues with like overheating with like battery storage. It's been like glitching out a lot, especially when I am trying to do like long filming sessions for videos and even stuff short videos like for like YouTube and all that. And it would basically like the screen would just black out and it would exit out of whatever program I'm using back to the home screen. And it was very frustrating. So it would overheat a lot. One summer it got so hot, it told me not to charge it, the phone. So decided to get a new one, the 14 Pro Max. So this phone in this box is the 14 Pro Max in silver and in 256 gigabytes. As you could tell, that's a clear step up in storage from my 128 gigabyte 13 Pro Max. Because, you know, with this business, I have to become like a content creator, I guess. Like once you open a business, there's an unspoken rule where you have to become like a content creator. So that's just funny. Phone's in here. Is this a case? Or is it like, I can't tell what this pink thing is. Yeah, I think it's like a protective layering. So I will open this right now. I'm so excited to get this phone. I really need it. I need it because I control the social media marketing. I control the Etsy shop. I add listings, take listings out. Oh, this is a case. So this is it. This is the original case it came in. Let's see if I could take it out. So I took the case out. It's pretty nice. It's like made of like a really strong plastic. I'll be saving that case. Here is the 14 Pro Max. I'm going to compare it with my 13 Pro Max. They both weigh around the same. This is a little heavier. As you could tell, this one like has a notch. This one doesn't. This one has a sort of new dynamic island. And then before I get into the initial setup, I will be putting a screen protector on. So I will just be putting this placemat on this table. The phone won't scratch. So I switched the camera on my iPad to like the wide camera. So like you could see what I'm doing right now. Here, I'll move this out of the way for you. I have the wet wipes right here. And I will be cleaning this phone screen. Okay, this is the wet wipes. Okay. Good. And then the dry wipes are right here. This will dry the phone from the wet wipes. Place the screen protector. The cutout should line up perfectly. Awesome. Okay, I place it down. Okay, I just put on the screen protector. I'm gonna take this thing off right now. See, it's like, it's on, it's really cool. I will be setting up this phone now, so I'm just gonna plug it in, gonna power it on. So you see that? That's the Apple logo. And I'm gonna make sure this is on. You see that there's like the hello screen. It's really cool. And the phone is charging right now. I'm sorry. This is gonna be my phone. Like, this is my first time setting it up by myself. So there's a language page. I'm gonna click English. And it says select your country or region. I'm gonna click United States. That's where I'm from. I'll choose, like, there's this new screen. I've never seen this before. I will choose default. This is the appearance. My old phone just detected it. So I will click continue. Oh, and there's like a QR code thing. Like, I have to scan these two. So I will be doing that. Set up a new phone. Use your Apple account to set up your new phone. Set up for me. Okay, enter the passcode of the other phone. Instead, setting up your iPhone. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. And it's gonna take a few minutes to activate your new iPhone. it says it right here. This is so cool. Yeah, privacy, continue. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna do Face ID now. I believe with a dynamic island, it's gonna look very different because, you know, I heard the Face ID, instead of like being in the center of the screen, it's like the dynamic island, it goes down and then you're able to kind of do it through that. So continue. Oh, I did it. Okay, move your head slowly to complete the circle. It's asking if I want to do it with a mask. No, I do not need that. Face ID is now set up. Awesome. Now, setting up your account. Okay, I agree to the terms and conditions. So Apple ID is now called Apple account. I get this cool startup animation. It's really cool. I've never seen that before. It says it's signing in to my account right now, my Apple account. This is so cool. I've never done this before. Okay, it says on this phone that a new device has been added. This is my first time setting up a phone by myself. I will be doing an iCloud backup. Okay, location services. I will be turning this on. Okay, emergency SOS. It's a feature that's on the 14 models. Emergency SOS. Your phone's ready to help in an emergency. There's crash detection. There's emergency SOS via satellite. And you can press and hold for emergency SOS. Software update. Okay, I'll update it. Alright, so in the meantime, while it's updating, I will be unboxing some new phone cases. So I have 6 of them. This is phone case number 1. This is phone case number 2. Okay, this is phone case number 3. This is phone case number 4. Phone case number 5. Just a regular clear phone case. And this is phone case number 6. So it's still updating. I'll let you guys know once it's done. Alright, so it looks like the device just finished updating. And I will swipe up. I am restoring from iCloud. And it says it's gonna take a minute. So it's gonna be very quick. So it just set it up. As you can tell, my apps are downloading right now. It's really cool. I'm gonna see if I could set up cellular right now. I'm gonna transfer my phone number from this phone to this one. So transfer. Yeah, that's my number. Okay, it's asking me now if I want to transfer. Yes. Phone nearby to finish transferring your phone number to your other phone. And it says to double click like a payment. So I will do that. Keep this phone turned on until the transfer is complete. And it says here, it says activating on the 14 Pro Max. So cool. Okay, and then now it says connecting to network. Cellular set up completely. This number is now active on this iPhone. Okay, awesome. Okay, as you can tell, the cellular part has been set up. It's right here. So after this clip, I'm gonna update you guys on how this phone is working. And I'm probably gonna choose this case. So yeah, I'll let you know how this thing is running. Hi guys. So it's a day later since that last clip. And I have had the opportunity to test the camera, the video, and the microphone. I'll show you guys right now. Hi guys, I'm currently testing the microphone on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And this is what the microphone on the 14 Pro Max sounds like. Hi guys, so I will be playing some music right now and we're just gonna see which phone sounds better. And that is it for this video. I'm really enjoying my new phone and I hope to keep it for many, many years. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time.